Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to clean a laptop. Keeping your laptop clean is essential for its optimal performance, longevity, and overall hygiene. Over time, dust, dirt, and grime can accumulate on the keyboard, screen, and other surfaces, affecting its functionality and appearance. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this step-by-step guide will provide you with the knowledge and techniques to effectively clean your laptop and maintain its pristine condition. A clean laptop not only looks better, but also operates more efficiently. Dust and debris can clog ventilation vents, leading to overheating and potential hardware issues. Additionally, regular cleaning helps prevent the buildup of bacteria and germs on surfaces that you frequently touch. Promoting a healthier computing experience, in this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through each step of the laptop cleaning process, ensuring that you have a thorough understanding of the methods and precautions involved. From gathering the necessary tools to shutting down and unplugging the laptop, from removing external dust and debris to cleaning the keyboard, touchpad, and display, we will cover all aspects of laptop cleaning. We will also provide guidance on properly cleaning ventilation vents, ports, and connections, as well as removing stains and sticky residue. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of regular maintenance to keep your laptop in top shape and share tips on preventing future buildup. Taking the time to clean your laptop not only improves its performance and extends its lifespan, but also gives you a sense of satisfaction and pride in your device. A clean laptop enhances your overall computing experience and ensures that you can work, study, or entertain yourself without distractions or concerns. So, let's dive into this comprehensive guide and learn the techniques to clean your laptop effectively. By following these steps and incorporating regular cleaning into your routine, you can enjoy a sparkling clean laptop that operates smoothly and looks its best. Get ready to restore your laptop's shine, maintain its hygiene, and optimize its performance. Let's begin the journey to a cleaner, healthier, and more enjoyable computing experience. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools. Collect the tools you'll need for cleaning your laptop, including a microfiber cloth, compressed air canister, cotton swabs, isopropyl alcohol, distilled water, and a soft brush or toothbrush. Step 2. Shut down and unplug the laptop. Ensure your laptop is shut down and disconnected from any power source. This is crucial to prevent any damage during the cleaning process. Step 3. Remove external dust and debris using the compressed air canister. Gently blow air around the keyboard, ports, and other crevices to remove loose dust and debris. Be careful not to hold the canister too close to the laptop to avoid causing damage. Step 4. Clean the keyboard and touchpad. Take a soft brush or toothbrush and gently brush the keys and touchpad to dislodge any dirt or debris. Then, use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the keys and touchpad, removing any stubborn grime. Be sure not to oversaturate the cotton swab with alcohol. Step 5. Wipe the display and exterior surfaces using a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with a mixture of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water, in a 1:1 ratio. Gently wipe the laptop's display and exterior surfaces. Avoid applying excessive pressure and be cautious around the screen to prevent any damage. Step 6. Clean the ventilation vents. Locate the ventilation vents on the laptop, usually located on the sides or bottom. Use the compressed air canister to blow air into the vents, removing dust and debris that may be blocking proper airflow. This helps prevent overheating. Step 7. Clean the ports and connections. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the ports and connections, such as USB ports, HDMI ports, and headphone jacks. This removes any dirt or residue that may hinder their functionality. Step 8. Remove stains and sticky residue. If you encounter sticky residue or stains on the laptop's surface, dampen a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently rub the affected area. Ensure the cloth is only slightly damp to prevent liquid from seeping into the laptop. Step 9. Allow the laptop to dry after cleaning. Allow the laptop to air dry for a few minutes before powering it back on or closing it. This ensures that any remaining moisture evaporates completely. Step 10. Regular maintenance. To maintain a clean laptop, establish a regular cleaning routine. Wipe the keyboard and touchpad regularly, keep the laptop in a clean environment, and avoid eating or drinking near it to minimize the risk of spills or crumbs. In conclusion, by following the comprehensive steps outlined in this guide, you now possess the knowledge and techniques to clean your laptop effectively and maintain its optimal condition. Regular cleaning not only enhances the appearance of your laptop but also promotes its longevity and ensures a hygienic computing experience. By gathering the necessary tools, shutting down and unplugging your laptop, and removing external dust and debris with compressed air, you have taken the first crucial steps toward a cleaner device. Cleaning the keyboard, touchpad, display, ventilation vents, ports, and connections using appropriate cleaning agents and tools further ensures the removal of dirt, grime, and potential blockages. Remember to exercise caution throughout the cleaning process, applying gentle pressure and avoiding excessive moisture to prevent damage to sensitive components. Additionally, addressing stains and sticky residue promptly contributes to a pristine appearance and smooth functionality. Maintaining regular cleaning habits and incorporating preventive measures into your laptop care routine will go a long way in preserving its performance and cleanliness. By establishing good practices such as keeping your laptop in a clean environment, avoiding eating or drinking near it, and performing routine maintenance, you can prevent future buildup and enjoy a consistently clean and reliable device. As a result of your efforts, you will benefit from an optimally functioning laptop that operates efficiently, maintains proper ventilation, and reduces the risk of overheating. Moreover, the elimination of dust and germs from frequently touched surfaces contributes to a healthier and more hygienic computing environment. So, embrace the responsibility of keeping your laptop clean and well maintained. Regularly incorporate the cleaning techniques discussed in this guide into your routine, and celebrate the enhanced performance, longevity, and hygiene of your laptop. By applying the knowledge gained from this comprehensive guide, you have become a diligent caretaker of your laptop, ensuring its longevity and providing yourself with a clean and enjoyable computing experience. With your newfound expertise, you can confidently tackle laptop cleaning and take pride in the immaculate condition of your device. Now, armed with the power of knowledge and equipped with the necessary tools, go forth and embark on a journey of laptop cleanliness. Embrace the satisfaction that comes with a pristine device, optimize its performance, and bask in the enhanced computing experience that awaits you. Remember, a clean laptop is a happy laptop. It's up to you to maintain its cleanliness and functionality.